CHAT GPT Monica and the review. I found in the review it is not working great with the technology. Like I checked in WordPress and the PHP, and it is giving wrong information related to the plugins information. So let me show you that information also along with the how to install the ChatGPT Monica. This information I will also provide. So for installation the ChatGPT Monica in Google, you go and write it there Monica ChatGPT. So it will open on browser, or you can type monica.im, monica.im. Here after typing monica.im, suppose I checked in Google Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge, it's not matter. So I have checked here in Microsoft Edge, and it is asking, do you want to add this as an extension? So I said, yeah, I want to add as a. After giving the permission, it will, and you can do the Google sign up also. After sign up, you can select the free plan. Free plan will give you the 30 search per day, or you can go to the paid plan also. So I have selected here free plan. So now full setup is done. Now I am going to show you the search experience. You see, I have searched here. Please tell me the table press latest version. And Monica ChatGPT is saying me according to the official WordPress answer. This is the latest version is 1.12.2 according to May 17, 2023. Now I will show you official website what is the output is coming. Now I am going to show you the exact answer what would be for this one. Version is 2.1.3, and what the answer is coming, it is correct 2.1.3. But in ChatGPT Monica you can see version is 1.12.2. So this is very much big difference between the real answer and the ChatGPT answer, ChatGPT Monica answer. So I want to say blindly you cannot believe on any ChatGPT or anything. So that's all. Thanks for watching.